Okay, this is just for me to remember. I'm screen recording and it's almost at 30 seconds. So now I can start. Boom. Okay. I just want to make this really quick video. This is going to be really informal, no fun edits or anything. I am looking at Myrtle Beach because I have an opportunity to stay at this. It's like a timeshare thing where it was like a special offer. I get to go for free, and I get to go and listen to a little speech for 2 hours, and I get to stay 3 days and 4 nights, or 4 days and 3 nights, something like that. It's not important. So I'm going to be probably going down to Myrtle Beach sometime. So I'm looking at, while I'm down there, I'm probably going to be going alone since I'm massively single. So I don't want to be bored. I'd like to work. And so what I would do normally is look for hotels to shoot, since I want to be getting into more hotels, and eventually the end of the year, like the video that just went up recently, talking about going down there and doing hotels and media for them, content creation, etc. So I just want to walk through real quick, as I think this will be interesting, what my process is for looking at, this is new for me, looking at hotels and stuff. And with drones, one of the most important things is airspace. And so this will be a fun thing of just looking at, well, fun, it's more like very nerdy, but let's just get this going because I don't want to drag this out. Anyway, let's go to the screen. So here we have a airspace map, or whatever it's called. So I'm drawing a blank on it, looking at the area of Myrtle Beach. So here we go. We have Class C airspace. We have 44,000 feet down to surface, so I can't fly anywhere in here. From here to there, it looks like the ceiling is 4,000, but the bottom is only 1,200, so I can fly up to 1,200 there. All things considered, I need to look around a little bit more to see if there's anything else weird. There's a lot going on this map. Here we're down in, again, oh my gosh, Myrtle Beach. There's another airport right over here, and this is Class D airspace, and it's from the surface up to 2.5 thousand feet, so I can't fly anywhere there. This is what I believe is a Class C extension, and so I don't think I can fly there. I'm going to look in that a little bit more. But even if I can't, so what I did was I literally looked from here, and I grabbed this coordinate, since there's this, you see this little bit right in that middle there that is not, there's no restricted airspace. So I take that, go up here, do that. It opens up Google Maps, and so that's one extreme. Now we have on the other side this little tiny bit, because I want to look for hotels that are in this geographical area so that I can, shoot them. Okay, there we go. So this is the general, I don't know why it grabbed that, but this is the general area that I have to work in. It's a very, what is this, 0.8 miles, very small amount. So I'm looking at here, we have forest dunes and whatever, ocean forest villas. This one kind of caught my eye. Island Vista Resorts. It looks like I can fly here without any problems and stuff, and the authorities already looked up in the area. Local authorities are pretty crazy about drones. So what I would do next is to look at, do they already have photos with drones? So we go to a photo gallery, and going at a couple, let's go through land from the ground. I already went through most of these, and they do not. Okay, so they don't have it. That's good for me. Let's go to gallery. Just out of curiosity, they have a video gallery, just as a interesting thing for me as well. I'm not doing videos quite yet, and I don't have a plan to do videos for here. But these guys also have this video with 35,000 views. Pretty good. Also from 2014, so it's super old. And, but anyway, that's just an interesting thing. Just in case I was there long enough that I wanted to actually put together a little video for them. And then the next thing I would do is look for social. Do they have social? Looking up here, they do not. So my next thing is to shoot something that's very similar, and then so I can have something to show them, and then offer them. I would probably do it really cheap, maybe $75 to $100 for this, so that when I'm down there, I can make a few dollars while I'm down there. So this would be something that would take me an afternoon. I could shoot it, edit it the same day, and get it over to them and be on vacation. I don't want to be super bored, so I want to do something. I'll be making videos and Instagram videos and things like that with my DSLR, or the GH5, but I want to be doing something else to make money. This turned out to be way longer, 6 minutes, than I wanted, But anyway, this is a little bit of a process of how I would go about doing that. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of it. Let me know if you guys think, if this is interesting to see behind the scenes. I know there's only probably about 5 of my closer friends that are going to be watching this. What do you guys, is this anything, like as far as the business, is this any interest? Whatever. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you later.